how to enable Apple Intelligence on your iOS 18. So in iOS 18, Apple Intelligence is a feature that helps your device become more adaptive and intuitive by utilizing machine learning to optimize your experience. So to enable and manage your AI feature on your iPhone 18, you have to follow this step. Make sure you have installed the iOS 18 on your device. You can check for the updates going to. You have to navigate to your setting and just go for your general option. On your general option, just go for the software update. So I already have the iOS 18 and here you can see that there is iOS 18.2.1. So if I want to update it, I will just go for the update tonight. So if you have iOS 17 and you don't have the iOS 18, you have to just go for the update now. And you have to enable the Siri and search for this Siri here. So Apple's designs often involve Siri capabilities and personalized suggestion. Here's the process how to enable your Siri and related feature. First of all, open up your setting. Under your setting, you have to scroll down to find and Siri. You have to just go for the Siri here. And under your Siri, you have to enable listen for Hey Siri if you want to voice activation. So here you can see the allo Siri when locked and you have to just go for the voice activation. And under your voice activation, just go for the Siri responses and prefer spoken responses here. And after that, here you can see the Siri dictation and history. So you have to just go for the talk Siri and you have to just go for the Hey Siri or Hey Siri. And you have to just go for the disable option. So press side button for Siri, not you have to just go and command your Siri. Hey Siri. So just go for your talk to Siri and you have to enable the press side button for Siri after that. And you have to long press on your side. So here you can see that I have successfully enabled the Apple Intelligence. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.